Hi, this is Isaiah with Sierra Miles, and in this video I'll be showing you how to create a new Mitel meeting from within the Outlook calendar. So we're starting here from our Outlook mailbox, and I'm going to go down to the bottom left corner and click on the calendar icon. From here I'm going to go to the top of the page and click on New Meeting to begin setting up the conference. When the new meeting page opens, I can now start filling out the details of the meeting, such as the title, required and optional participants, the start and end time of the meeting, and also the meeting location if the meeting will be taking place partly in person. Once I've filled out those details, I'm going to click on the conference button on the top right of the screen to integrate this meeting with the Mitel Connect app. If the conference button doesn't show up for you in your Outlook, you'll probably need to make sure that you have the Mitel Connect app downloaded, and then you may have to restart your computer. Now, the Mitel Connect app has created a conference for me and displays all the information needed in order to connect to the conference from a variety of devices. You can use the first link to join the conference from your computer, or dial one of the numbers provided for your mobile device to connect that way. When you're ready, hit send to update the calendar and notify participants of the created meeting. And now you've successfully created a new meeting in Mitel Conference within the Outlook calendar. If you would like to cancel a previously created meeting, you can do so by right-clicking the meeting from the calendar and selecting Cancel Meeting at the bottom of the menu. You would then click Send Cancellation to notify the previously selected participants of the meeting cancellation. That's all I have to show for today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.